Hi, Bruce Johnson from Summers Manufacturing. I'm here today to talk to you about something very exciting. Landroller drums. Now, you might think that big bot tube on this Landroller is just like any other Landroller drum you've seen out there. Let me tell you, at Summers Manufacturing, we understand that quality matters, and we go to great lengths to ensure our Landroller drums are top quality. From the materials that we source into our drums, to the weld pattern, to ensuring accurate thickness, and probably most importantly of all, ensuring that our shafts and our support systems are perfectly centered to ensure best possible bearing life. To learn more about our Landrollers or any other quality equipment built by Summers Manufacturing, visit us at summersmfg.com.